Hi everyone, it's your favourite nutter. No, today I'm going to be building another bonsai bench. I know I promised part 2 of the Houghton, but I need somewhere to put it once it's had its branches pulled down. So I'm going to be building a bench for up in the top of the garden there. Crack on cutting the wood. I need to add a bit of water to the trees first. I'm not going to show you watering the trees because that would be boring as shit. Let's make a bench. Cutting 4 at 1800. Then the cross members, making 2 frames the same. Basically what I've done with that bench up there. Oh mate, are you sure I'm gonna kiss? This is where I'm going to be making it for, up here. So I'll be building another 2-tier bench, sort some trees out, then I'll have somewhere for the Houghton. So once I've basically pulled the branches down onto this, I need somewhere to put this. I don't want to be putting it back on the floor, I want somewhere to put it. So, time to build a bench. This is where the old man's knees don't work anymore. Oh, what a bloody Sunday. You should have seen the short I've stuck on. A little bird got in the house and I couldn't catch the bastard. Get up there. So we need 4 lengths at 1800. These are 2.4s. 3x2 for our American friends. English friends is 3x2. 3x2. You know what? I'm gonna go that way then I didn't. You didn't have to turn them around. There you go. Yeah, okay. The timber was left on a job for us by a site manager. No names is mentioning and no site names mentioning. I don't want to get the bloke in trouble. I always get my timber off different site managers because they're all lovers for some reason. Put that there just to keep it square a bit. So I want it 450 deep. So these need to be 410. Which we are going to get from the offcuts. I'm right-handed, that's why I hand that there. Okay. So we have our straights, this will make our squares, and it's just the legs. That piece of timber looks like a side of the pipe, so I'll get one leg out of that. I have some more there. This won't take long to put together, man. Right, I'll get my gear out, I'll stop the video, I'll get my drills and everything, and away we go. Up. I've still got my jade alive. Look at that, Scotty. I've still got him alive, mate. I'm trying my best, because it was a present. If it wasn't a present, I'd have chucked the fucker in the bin. It's pretty much in real time, this, because I've still got the same tab. Right, let's get some drill holes in here. It's nearly time for a can because it's nearly 4 o'clock on a Sunday, and I like to put the top 40 on and wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. I was supposed to be going down Sheffield to meet with Scott and Nate, and they think they're going to Xavier's, which I didn't make. I hope you have a good time, lads, and I'm thinking about you. Maybe on the next one. It's just I've been working weekends, and this is the only time I get to do anything on a Sunday. But you can't wait for the top 40 so I stop singing. Not that I sing anyway. So I started this, what? 3:30, that's how long it takes to make it. There's the time and the date. Let's see how long it takes. Can't hit the hole. Where's the wife? Are you sure? I've never gotten the painting finished yet because it's never stopped bloody raining. So the two top and bottom framework's done. What I need to do now is see how high I want it and cut the legs. So I'll do 5 legs at 680. That'll be the height on the top one. Then I'll cut the legs for the next bench down once I've set it all up on this one. And that's it, 680. I'm not going to use that because it's about 5 legs at 680. I might as well measure the other ones if I want to make it the same and cut them and just screw it all together. So now I need 4 at 680. I'm not going to bother with this, I want to chop it up for the fire. Pretty much all our legs and frames cut now. I'll screw all these onto the top frame. I'm only less than 20 minutes in and it's nearly built. That's what happens when you try to be a professional. Sorry, I'm allergic to bullshit. Well, it's 10 to 4, she'll not know she's at cricket. Cheers, wifey, she doesn't watch my videos anyway. Right, get the leg. Do, 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 do. $1,800. Nine. the mill. Five past 4, framework done. I have no slaters latch, what I did with the other one, so I'll either get some or I'll come round with a 3D2 just so it looks the same. But what I'll do is I'll get the ply on first, then I can square all the legs up. Didn't take long, I had one mouthful out of the can and it's done. I want to put the music on and I'll just record us cutting the ply because I don't want to copyright. Bonsai bench built. Time we're on. That's I started at 29 and now in 10 minutes and we've built a bench. Yes! So I just need to get cleaned up now and burn all the crap, which I'll have a few cans doing that tonight with the music on. I'm not going to show you a painting again because I haven't got any paint yet, but in now in 10 minutes and we've got a bench built. So that's how you do it, folks. I'll give you a look at it later on when it's set up there with the trees on, even if it's not painted. But as always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks! There's a packet of shite behind us off the dog, it fucking stinks.